2027 presidency, northern leaders dump President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Eye alternatives as replacements. They've named two names, okay? Two names have been disclosed. Hey guys, this is getting more interesting. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for stopping by. Reports making the rounds on Sunday, October 27, have it that top northern leaders are in a dilemma to get Bola Tinubu's replacement for the 2027 presidential election. Sources hinted that the political leaders are faced with a complex decision as they consider potential candidates for Nigeria's next president. According to the sources, economic hardship, mounting youth discontent, and a sense of unfulfilled expectations from President Bola Tinubu's administration are reflecting this dilemma. Concerns linger over the large-scale protests during the End Bad Governance movement, which had seen a significant switch in youth-led demonstrations in the region, sparking fears among northern leaders of a possible repeat scenario. Although the 2027 general election remained a few years ago, Sunday Tribuna gathered that the northern elders are proactively scouting for credible candidates to potentially challenge the current leadership. Some prominent politicians across the Northwest have been meeting and discussing who might be capable of giving President Tinubu a formidable context in the presidential race. Anonymous source shared with Sunday Tribuna. Several aides to the northern governors also confirmed this discussion, noting that the 2027 election is a source of concern for many top northern politicians, including their principals. These politicians are reportedly weighing the risk of opposing President Tinubu after their involvement in the 2023 victory. Another challenge for northern leaders is selecting a candidate who would be boldly accepted in the north, while accounting for likely opposition tactics such as emphasizing zoning and southern interest. The northern leaders, believe the best approach is to back a prominent southern politician, a source explained. Yet, they worry about finding someone from the south who could match President Tinubu in personality and financial strength. Though no formal decisions have been made yet, sources say a short list of candidates is emerging, including potential running mates. A credible person from the Northwest is likely to be chosen as the running mate, one source noted, revealing that Dr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso from Kano State Governor and Alhaji Aminu Tabowe among the considered names. For now, northern politicians are still in search of a reputable candidate for 2027. Many believe are likely to support the current administration again, and the source concluded, indicating that political maneuvering in the north is far from settled. In addition to concern over the current administration's effectiveness, northern leaders are reportedly varying of the potential blacklist from their constituents if they continue supporting President Tinubu in 2027. With youth unemployment, inflation, and insecurity affecting the northern region, disappropriately, leaders feel that endorsing an unchanged leadership could alienate the young generation. Well, I don't think this is going to be something like new to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because by now you should be expecting this. with all things that with all that has gone wrong now in Nigeria. You get. Well, I don't know how Northerners will do this. Um, if they project a Northerner, I don't think it's going to work as well. Uh, if they are not accepting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for second term, they should also try to consider a Southerner, because according to the zoning, whatever, it's supposed to be a Southerner for 8 years. So if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have completed 4 years, another Southerner supposed to, complete another 4 years. You see, to me, all these things is a very big problem, and is affecting us deeply already. You get, now our turn, you go get someone who cannot even do anything because it's our turn and all that. I don't think this is really working. So what do you think about all this zoning, this and that and all that? And even nothing as planning to dump President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at this particular time. I also believe that majority of Southerners will not want to go with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Talking about the problems, the economic situation, the hardship, the insecurity Nigerians are currently facing right now. So guys, let's hear from you. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. If you are just joining us for the first time, please subscribe, share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is happening today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you and bye for now.